How to log into Intesa Sanpaolo Online Banking. Open any browser of your choice. Tap on the search bar. Type in intesasanpaolo.com. Search for it. You'll be led to the official website of Intesa Sanpaolo. Tap on the option Customer Access. You can log into your account. You'll have to enter the user ID and PIN. Tap on the field of user ID. Enter the user ID of your online banking. Enter the PIN over here. Once you do that, tap on the option Enter that you can see on the screen. It basically means login. Once you do that, go through the verification process. You'll be logged into your online banking account. Like this, you can log in Intesa Sanpaolo Online Banking. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.